कितना हेल्प रहा था कास्टिंग की
सबसे पहले तो मैं इस आम आदमी को बधाइयाँ देना चाहूँगा कि आज ये बोल रहे हैं यहाँ पे इस इंडस्ट्री के लिए बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है और एक्टरों को ग्रूमिंग करना उनको एक्टिंग जानना और कैमरा के सामने एक्टिंग करना काफ़ी अलग अलग चीज़ें हैं। जब कैमरा ऑन होता है तो मैंने देखा कि पौधों की हवा निकल आती है। So I think a guy like Mukesh is the right man to help a talent go through this process and make him professional enough and competent enough to face a camera. And it's very difficult, to do it without any grooming. जैसे आपने कहा बच्चन साहब और दिलीप साहब मतलब they are one in many centuries they are born. So I don't think you can use their talent as a barometer for what other actors' potential is and what they can do.
Actually, I wasn't ever sure if I wanted to act, so half the auditions I called for, I would never go. I would never really go for those auditions. I have been for them, but I'm very bad at giving auditions actually. So, but I've met all the casting directors out there in the city. I've been for enough auditions though, and it's very important to have someone who really knows what they're doing here, because it's a very sensitive thing to be an actor, and when you're putting yourself out there and even auditioning, it's really important that the person that's guiding you and that's casting you treats you well with kid gloves almost, because there's some people who are very judgmental and treat you and make you feel like the biggest thing on planet Earth, and then and you're just looking for work, yeah? As an actor, when you're looking for work, you're running around and you're sensitive. So I felt like it really they don't bring the best out of you. And what I've seen with Mukesh is that he doesn't really judge you or make you feel bad. He's always encouraging. So I think it's a very important thing to be sensitive as a casting director, and I think that's what he is. I love all of them. I can't say, yeah, maybe, I don't know, I love all of them too much. Yeah. Maybe. I can't, I think I see a little bit of me in everyone. So, I don't know, maybe Phoebe.
No, I don't relate to any of them. I quite enjoy watching them, but I don't think I'm like any of them.
Of course, of course.
आपको क्या लगता है इसको ये काम कैसे मिला है?
How do you think I'm here? No. I haven't. Unfortunately, I haven't had to deal with that situation. But you never know in the future. Yeah, I'm sure it exists, and I've heard stories from people. I'm not going to take names and give you details, but yeah, it happens. But yeah, I'm happy that now whenever I go for, yeah, I have a horrible past, and I can't no. Yeah. Let's see. बहुत ही अच्छा गाया उन्हें. I love the song and it's #1 or something right now, na? So I'm very happy. बोलो ना, I really love the song.
I'm thrilled about any film that I'm getting into, and I'm just excited that my script is ready and I'm actually raring to go. Well, I would like to believe that. I quite enjoy sports. I'm looking forward to the games in Brazil, and yeah, but more than it's the sportsman spirit that really gets me, because that spirit doesn't just relate to an athlete or a sportsman. Any aspiring, any ambitious, any driven individual can take from that spirit. And when I made my first movie about sports, that was Aryan, was about an aspiring boxer, and I quite related to that character, and I felt like I had to make that movie somehow. So I don't know, maybe it was life imitating art, as they sometimes say, but yeah, I drew a lot of energy from that story, and I gave it back to that story by making that movie.
Absolutely no confirmation coming from this end. But if there's something to confirm, I will tell you very soon.
Rekha ji is a fabulous actress, and more than that, I've had a few interactions with her, and I think she's an incredible human being. She doesn't, you don't really see her much out in public, and you don't read so much about her in the press. But my personal interactions with her have, I've always held her in very high esteem, but she's just gone to another level now in my head. She responded very well to the material. She understood the kind of film I'm trying to make, the story I'm trying to tell, and more than anything else, we discussed the character, and she got into the depths of the story, and every director has his own degree of how deep he goes into a script, and I was quite surprised pleasantly to know that she's matching me step by step for that. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Mr. Anurag Kashyap.
Yes, yes.
He's going to answer some serious questions.